it's right here.
Oh, no, what?
No, I'm just taking pictures of these numbers and these rules. I'm gonna look these rules up, see if that's true.
But they can't make it this, but that's for them. They're supposed to be for public servants. That's not. Well,
Yeah, that's true.
you took a picture of this one?
No, I'll get my camera.
Maybe denied, so they could deny people's due process. Straight to the place. No, I don't even got I still don't even got the freaking the court information, bro.
No?
Like my number.
The case number?
The case number, yeah.
Yeah, we just simply say that you're here to check in from up there. You need to speak to whichever in charge. I wonder what title they said he was. I forgot. Donations.
Yes. I was here about a month ago, and I'm trying to.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Yes.
Talk to you in charge.
I talked to a lady. I think she's the second lady in charge of the state's attorney. About a month ago.
In this
and
office?
the head guy and the main guy. I don't know their names.
Jen
yeah.
is our deputy
Yes.
supervisor, and Jim is our
Are they here?
head guy. Jen is not. Jim, I'm not sure. I'd have to check. What is this regarding?
A case.
He wanted to give us some footage, and we wanted to give him some footage.
Yes, they were supposed to have got me discovery, paperwork, video, and before this court date, I never received no.
Are you the defendant in the
Yes,
case?
I am.
And you're representing yourself?
Yes, I am.
I see. And what courtroom are you supposed to be in?
102, ma'am.
102?
Yes.
Okay.
Appreciate it very much. Thank you.
Let's sit down.
I want to get your name and that, so at least they can, because they talk to a lot of people. So it's in courtroom
102.
102. Okay, and your name?
It's gonna be John?
John?
Yes. Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.
Correct, ma'am.
Do you have a case number?
I believe it's 2024
Okay.
20 00
Mhm.
81 501.
Okay, perfect. And when is the court date?
Today at 1:30.
Oh. Okay.
And what's your name, ma'am?
My name's Mary.
Mary, good to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you, John.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
One moment.
Yeah, sometimes she works from home. She goes to like different places. She's in an office. She's just in food processing plants and does engineering stuff. So
That's good.
her schedule. Yeah.
Yep. Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
We didn't send any discovery on it yet. We're still redacting the documents. So that's
What's
where
your name?
Zara or Moya, the ASA and I heard. So we're still redacting the documents for that information from last time. So when we're done with it, we'll get it to you. I was gonna suggest if you want, we can do a short court date.
But what exactly has to be redacted?
There's
Yeah.
personal information about the complaining witnesses in there that we don't we don't give that information out.
Well, I thought the only complaining witnesses were the officers involved.
No, there's multiple like state employees that are in it. So
Mm.
the officer, you will have the officer's information.
Oh.
It's just like civilians. So
Now there's civilians making accusations? Or?
I mean, they're not making accusations; they're just involved in the case. So we just have to redact it.
Hey, may I ask you a question? So,
yeah.
all these civilians are still employed by the state?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're just doing that. So if you want, I think it should be done by next week. If you want, we can get a short court date for you to come back and get it like on the record then. Otherwise, like we can contact you when it's ready and then I'll send it to you right away.
Are you the one prosecuting the case?
I'm one of the ASAs on it, yes.
Okay, so are you guys still planning on pursuing this? Like,
Have you seen I apologize. Have you
yeah, seen the
seen the
body cam?
video?
No, I have not seen it yet because I'm just working on redacting that information. So like the way it works is like we have to review everything just like you will, right?
Yes.
So once I get it to you, I'm gonna review it, and that's where we're at with it. But as soon as I'm done with doing that to it, then I'll get it to you. Because you gave me an email address last time, I believe.
Yes, I did. It's the JPG Life Liberty Love at proton.me, and I
Yes,
believe
that's right.
that the other people at where you get the records, they have my email as well.
Okay.
But I have not received anything, and they told me was when we were here last time that before this court they were going to review the video
Okay.
about what happened inside the DMV,
Okay.
and I wanted to do that because I'm wasting time here,
Yeah, I understand.
and if it's justice needs to be done. I was just so you know, I did not do
So,
nothing.
okay,
I just let it
don't
like
want to
that.
make any
No. It's
statements
okay.
or-
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm just saying me. I harmed nobody.
Okay.
All right, that's all I'm saying.
Okay.
And my thing is I got a family to take care of, and this right here has been a big inconvenience for me and my family. They almost took my life, so I just want justice to be served.
Understood.
I'm not here. I'm not warring against nobody. I have no hatred for nobody. I'm not trying to disrespect nobody. I just want justice to be out. And the more we take up time, the more money of the people's are being wasted. Resources that this thing should have done. The video should have been
Viewed.
viewed a long time ago, in the get-go, from the beginning.
No, I
And-
totally get it. It's not in my interest at all to like make things take longer than it should. It's just I don't even do the redacting myself because there's stuff I can't see. So it's like it's with whoever's doing the redaction to it. So
Now,
like
how could we? I apologize for cutting you off.
No,
Forgive
you're
me.
okay.
Now, but we're supposed to review the video together. That's what they told me last time. They're like, you're gonna come over here, we'll review the tape, or they're gonna send me the information so I can review it on my own, or come together and review it together to see what happened that day.
Right.
Yeah. So the reason they said that is because usually the way we get videos, it's either online or through a USB, and the way we share those videos is like with like the attorneys who have access to those sites. You can get access, but it's very like costly and time consuming. So usually we just offer to let you view it with us, like come in and you can see everything. Because there's no way for us to like actually share it with like the email you give us because you don't have access to the site. I believe this discovery in particular is on a USB. So if I figure out a way to copy the USB itself, then I'll just give you one and then you don't have to watch it with us. But otherwise, like it's just, that's the reason for it, is so that you're able to view it, you know, because it's hard to share otherwise.
Now, how many videos are there that you feel? Are you aware how many videos are from the DMV are there?
I am not,
Because I know there's 3 of them for sure. I think 3 of them.
I'm not sure on that because what happened was what happened last time is that the officer brought in the discovery to me, like the packets and the USB. And then I noticed there was that info in there that needed to be redacted. So I gave it to like our department to redact it. So I haven't reviewed anything besides literally like the complaint. I read the report for a little bit, but I didn't look at the video yet. So
Would it be possible for us to just get like the written complaint and
I
the
have-
nature and cause of what's
Yeah.
going on?
I can-
a print out?
I apologize. Yeah, because this is like my fourth time.
Yeah, we don't even know who's pressing.
I have no paperwork. I asked from the beginning. I asked for the nature and cause, anything that,
sworn complaints,
yeah,
anything.
anything, and they still have not given me nothing. So it's like I'm over here, like, just running with the wind, you know, like, and it's not just.
I can see if
It
I
should
can
be from the
print-
get-go.
Let me see if I can print it off, like what's in the court file. Do you guys
Okay.
wanna
Thank you
just
very
have a
much.
seat
Yeah,
while-
thank you very much. Appreciate that, man. Thank you for your kindness.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Oh, you know what? Another thing I'm gonna ask. So I'm gonna bust out some Constitution. So this is the part that I'm gonna bust. I gotta ask her. You remember that section I told you about remedy to justice, I think is it? Yeah. Because they're gonna want us to pay. But according to here, their law, free.
Oh, another thing, what she was talking about is BS. Like, if you wanted to share footage, they have a website and they give you a temporary password that's good for like a week or two, and you use that password in that link to go look at the footage, and then from there you could also download it to your computer. So I don't know what she's talking about. It's too expensive, or
They're wasting more money for me coming here.
I don't understand how she could say that. Like, oh yeah, I can give you a USB, or it's too costly to share it over the internet. It's like that's how they showed me my footage.
I think this is more like the runaround.
Yeah, they know they're in the wrong.
I've been here so many times, bro.
One too many. Should have been dismissed. Video should have been viewed, and yeah, we want sworn complaints, affidavits of injury, battery, whatever, on all 5 supposed victims. You know what I'm saying? Like, then we'll say, hey, I have footage that I'd like to share with you. No, get the names first, and get her to admit on camera where the battery took place. Inside the DMV, where it's recorded, or the ambulance.
Hey, you're good with that what you say, okay?
What?
That's what you're saying right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna just kind of like go with the stuff and do the rights.
Okay.
This is the thing is you got to go way to put words together. Yeah, something.
This is everything that's in the report file. So it has the citation and notice. Some of this you might already have. So it has the citation and notice, and that tells you like the statutes that you're charged with.
Yes.
This is like our state's attorney's sheet that has, again, the charges right here and just like personal information. It has your date of arrest, and then, I mean, you can look through it. I'm just trying to, because I know these are kind of.
Yeah, I have none of that stuff.
But does it have the sworn complaint?
These are the complaints, or we call them complaints or informations. So it has like the charge and then what exactly it was that is alleged to have occurred.
Okay.
So
Is it all? Have you read that yet? Or?
yes, those I had.
So are those sworn affidavits under perjury?
I just don't understand what that means. An information it's like the state's charge that we're alleging occurred. I'm trying to think, because I know the words you're saying. I just don't know what exactly that is. But
Well, in order to have a valid complaint, you got to have a sworn affidavit under perjury, like, hey, I was assaulted, battered, whatever.
I guess like the best I can say is that it is the person who is listed in the complaint. I think they do swear them to tell the truth before they make it. And then it is signed by a judge and the law enforcement officer who's taking it. So that's what I got. We could try asking the judge too. Maybe she knows more than me. So.
Okay, so it's going to be a different judge now. Do you know where the battery took place? Was it inside
It's
the DMV?
alleged to have occurred at the Secretary of State facility, I believe at 5401 Elston Avenue.
I just want to make sure that they're not going to try to switch it up, because now, initially it's just one complaint, then now there seems to be 5 conspiring against them. And
Yeah.
I want to establish where this battery took place. Was it inside the DMV or outside? You're saying it was definitely inside?
My understanding is that it was inside. If it was,
Would it be in this document saying where it occurred at?
I don't recall if it says exactly inside or outside, but
is it
whether or not,
documented?
if it was inside or outside, it would still say the same address. So, but
Okay.
I get what you're saying. Like, I know why that's important.
Well, we came with the understanding that we were going to share footage, and we just wanted to establish where the complaint allegedly took place at, so we could share our footage without them switching up their story.
Okay.
So we have footage that we'd like to share with you prior, if we could watch it together prior to the court. Because I think if you look at our footage, because he has footage and we FOIA'd
First hand.
the footage, I think you would be able to dismiss the case entirely today,
Okay.
based on the footage that we.
I mean, it's entirely up to you whether or not you want to show that to me. I would just advise maybe you probably want to talk to an attorney beforehand, because I don't want, like, I don't want you to be detrimented because you're being so kind and like wanting to
No.
talk to me, right? Like I know you want to work it out. Let's see if you guys can do me a favor and just put on the record, say, Judge, we have this footage. We would like to show it to the state's attorney. And then I'll tell the judge, I'm willing to watch it. I would just, maybe advise that they seek attorney counsel beforehand. And then we can see what the judge says.
Well, this was kind of agreed upon that we were going to do this with the head guy here in the office and the second in charge, the woman, what's her name?
Jenny?
Jen, yes.
Yeah, so while we were here, we agreed, like, hey, this is what we're going to do. You guys are going to provide us footage, redacted.
Did you talk to them this morning?
No, we talked to him at the last court.
The last
last
time we were,
day.
yeah, we
So
were
it's
here.
been like over 30 days, and he hasn't got an email or any word from him. So we came early today just to try to get this squashed.
Got you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
So we don't mind leaving the footage here and then telling the judge too, like, hey, for the record, we're gonna give prosecution footage.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's do it with the judge first, and then maybe then if you guys are agreeable to it, the next court date that we get, why don't we plan to meet early on that day?
All right.
and
Well,
then
could we
can
leave
go-
a disc with you?
Yeah, let's do it after court though.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
I'm just trying to like.
because with
not
this kind of thing, you want
prolong
to
it.
put stuff on the record that's down there. So that's why I say just like hold off. So
Okay, verbally, you're saying we don't have to file it with the clerk.
the disc.
Yeah.
No, you can verbally say like I have this disc I want to
Okay.
tender to
Okay.
the state or whatever.
And I got another question too concerning the Constitution here of Illinois.
The
Our,
Illinois
consti-
state.
our, yeah,
yes.
our Constitution here.
Yes.
In Section 12, it talks about the right to remedy and justice.
Mm-hmm.
This is from
I spoke to the
Section 12, right? It says,
Okay.
every person shall find a certain remedy in the laws for injuries and wrongs which he received to his person, privacy, property, or reputation. He shall obtain justice by law freely, completely, and promptly.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I try to get records, and they want me to pay. So how is that? How can I keep going forward when the law says one thing and the system here
There's
is
a policy that's
the pilot
overriding.
that I gotta pay for something
Yeah.
which is by law protected. So there's like I haven't been, and there's another reason too. I haven't been able to progress forward with paperwork, with the court recordings, or what they spoke in the court. So I just want to know why would we have to pay when the law says we can just get this information freely?
I mean, as far as that, I would recommend talking to a criminal attorney who specializes in constitutional law. Because the only thing I know is that pretty much anywhere you go nowadays, like whether it's criminal courthouse, like yesterday I paid to have my dental records faxed to me, which I think is ridiculous. So as far as that issue, I would say maybe consult an attorney on that one. Because that would be an issue separate from this case. That would be like a constitutional challenge to how you're getting info from this case. Yeah, that's all I got. Sorry.
All right. All right. Well, I'll look into that. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So then when we go to the court, just let them know about the disc. That I
Yeah.
want
The
to admit.
delay in discovery, and we're gonna
And I can
postpone.
help you guys out too if you want. I can say, Judge, they stopped by, they have a disc they want to show me. I said that I want to put it on the record that they're giving it to me and everything, just so everything is documented properly for the court.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll figure it out down there.
Okay.
And I apologize. What's your name again?
Zara.
Zara. Good
Yes.
to meet you, Zara. John Paul.
Nice to meet
Appreciate
you.
that very much.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Zara.
Yes, thank you guys.
All right. See. All right. That is dangerous.
Well, yeah. They don't even know what a sworn complainer is. Like, wow. They haven't even viewed the footage. Wow. I mean, I think at this point, you're so deep. I mean, you've been here, what, 4 or 5 times already?
Yeah.
And it's like, I think at this point, you should just do a counterclaim
Yeah.
to, make some
Yes.
money here at this point. Like,
Yes. Yes, I think that is the wisest thing.
hey, yeah.
That is the wisest thing to do right now.
But you're gonna have to file that. Now you're gonna,
That's when we. Okay. Yeah. No. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. What time is it?
we could check out the library and kill some time.
Yeah, I think so.
We got about 30 more minutes, and then hopefully they call you first and just get you out of there. Like if there's
Yeah. You know what I forgot to ask?
What?
Was how is it that Niles department got
yeah,
jurisdiction?
yeah.
Well, I'll ask for after.
Yeah, there's so much to ask for, bro. It's overwhelming.
It's just pretty cool. But man,
Yeah.
it's dangerous because the like the judges. What is that? Like the last time? What's his phone affidavit? Perjury? What is it? Oh, we're in the seas.
Yeah, it's just unbelievable. These guys they're not judges, man. They're administrators,
Yeah.
and they're
And the
incompetent.
yeah, they're very true. So. Just the thing is too, is like the way you approach things is different, right? It's like that's why like some things I just stay quiet. Speak because you know how to question, you know how to question or say certain questions certain ways, bro. That I can't really put it together at times, man.
Oh, okay.
Man, such a freedom.
Well, that's why we need to team up, man, with everything, bro, and just have each other's back, man. So